friends, thank you so much for coming back for another motivational cleaning video. Today is After Dark Clean with Me. I am going to speed clean my kitchen before going to bed because waking up to a clean kitchen feels really good. I hope you clean along with me and let's tackle our mess together. Let's do this! My kitchen right now is not in a complete disaster condition, but I have a lot of dishes in the sink that needs to go in the dishwasher. I need to clean the sink, and like what I'm doing here, I need to wipe down all my counters because I haven't wiped them in a couple of days and the dust are starting to pile up. I definitely need to clean my floor, vacuum, and mop it. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, hello and welcome. I am so happy you're here. My name is Selle. I am a wife and a full-time working mommy. My contents are all about cleaning motivations and lots of home organization. I would love for you to subscribe and join my small community. I upload new videos every single week. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back and tuning in. You are the best and I truly appreciate you. All the cleaning products I use in this video will be listed in the description box below if you wanna check it out.
Yeah. And I thought it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Yeah, no, it's no more. No, I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, no, it's no more. We don't know. No, it's no more. We don't know. No, it's no more. We don't know. No, it's no more. No. We don't know. No, it's no more. We don't know. No, it's no more. We don't know. No, it's no more. No. Yeah. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. And I thought it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. No, it's no more. No, I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. No, it's no more. We don't know. No, it's no more. We don't know. No, it's no more. We don't know. No, it's no more. No. We don't know. No, it's no more. We don't know. No, it's no more. We don't know. No, it's no more. No. Yeah.
Leaving this place, the sun's about to break. You're riding shotgun, the feeling we chase. I'm wide awake, take me away now. 'Cause I won't go down the same old path again now. No, I've been running out of air, so let me catch my breath. Feeling I've got's making me crazy. If I'm having a good time, don't you blame me. Yeah, this feeling I've got's making me crazy, making me crazy. So I'm just gonna drive. I'm just gonna drive. I'm just gonna drive. I'm just gonna drive. The road never ends. It's me and my friends. These are the good times. And I'm feeling like I could go on forever. And I've been running out of air, so let me catch my breath. The feeling I've got's making me crazy. If I'm having a good time, don't you blame me. Yeah, this feeling I've got's making me crazy, making me crazy. So I'm just gonna drive, drive, drive. I'm just gonna drive, drive, drive. I'm just gonna drive, drive. I'm just gonna drive, drive, drive. Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Everyone always keep falling in love again. The fuck's wrong with them? I don't understand. Maybe it will pass by, someone save me. Before I pass out, I'm too lonely to be done. I'ma drink at this place. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy to you, don't it? Why am I the only one who's left in the rain? If I had an option to be someone else, I would, and let go of you. I know that I'm obvious, fuck it, I'm made this way. But why didn't I stay when I had the chance?
I hope you find this video motivating and helpful. I hope I inspire you to get up and tackle your own mess at home. If you like and enjoy this video, please give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and share this to a friend to inspire them as well. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and turn the bell on so you wouldn't miss any more of my future uploads. If you wanna follow and connect with me, my Instagram account link is in the description box below. Thank you all so much for watching. I really appreciate you, and I will talk to you all again on my next video. Bye!